Hey everyone, I welcome you all for today's website call. Today is 10th of August as well as Monday. So we conduct this meeting on every Monday. In this meeting we talk about content related issues. So if you are working on them, you can drop your PR in the respective sections. We have different sections on the basis of repositories. So you can take a look and drop your PRs. So we have schema.mystery.io, system.mystery.io, layer5.io, and many of more. You can take a look. You will find this top link in your Zoom chat. Yeah. So you can take a look on the repositories sections, which we have divided into different sections. So you can drop your PR in the respective sections. And as we follow one housekeeping item that to drop your name in attendees section, so we will know that you were here. So everyone, please drop your name. So, talking about Mystery, Mystery is the sixth highest velocity project in CNCF, and lots of code is moved from the sandbox to incubations, lots of opportunities for contributors. So, yeah, that's all about Mystery. Talking about me, I'm a Bhumika Garg. I'm a host for today's call. I'm working in this community from past last 7 months. Yeah, that's all about me. Today I'll join with my co-host, Khusham. Khusham, would you like to give your introduction?
Thanks, Bhumika. So I am Kusham. I've been a GSOC intern here, and I've been contributing from last 8 months, around 8 months here, and it's quite active community, and yeah, you'll love learning and working here. And if you have any doubts in front end related issues or you want to contribute, you can tag me in the PR or on Slack.
Thanks, Khusham, for your introduction. Next, so, sorry for the distraction. Okay, next we have a introduction round for the newcomers. So if you are new to this call or you joined this call for a very first time, this is a time you can take this platform as to give your introduction. So yes, start with the introduction. Anyone who is new to this call,
Hello everyone. Can I say
yeah. Hi
hel-
Anurag.
hello? Hello Bhumika, hello everyone. Myself Anurag Gupta from BTech third year EC branch. I am here for the contribution and learning with the community. My main tech stacks are uh, React, Munstack, and basically DevOps side, AWS EC2, and these services. I'm just exploring the community, and I just check out this meeting and just join and seeing what's going. That's all.
Thanks,
And
Anurag.
learning.
Definitely, you will enjoy this meeting. Like we will have a very different agenda in this meeting. So yeah, you will learn a lot in this meeting.
Okay, I will see what I can do further contribute and seeing the issues uh, in the repositories and what I can give for this. That's all. Thank you.
Thanks, Anurag. Anyone next? Gaurav, I guess you are new to this call. Yeah. Hi, Anurag.
Hello.
Hi, Anurag. 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 Hi, Anurag.
Uh, Hello everyone, my name is Gaurav. Can you hear me?
Yeah, Peter.
Uh, I am a recently graduate student from IIT Roorkee, and I am just new to open source. Uh, I'm looking for like opens contributing to Go language based repos, and I came to knew about Mishri and Uh, I also had some of the walkthrough uh, of the whole application and had run Canvas to understand how the whole workflow is used in this application. So I'm looking for some issues, and my stack is usually in Go language, Java, JavaScript, and Python. So I'm more focused towards backend issues, and I will be looking for some support because I'm just recently in uh, contributions.
Thanks, Gaurav, for the introduction. Anyone else? Anurag Pandey, I think you are also new to this call.
Hi, Bhumika. I
Yeah,
think I
hi.
had joined previous one, but yeah,
So, would you like, did you give your introduction before also? Like,
yeah, I had joined in the last time and Wednesday call also.
okay. Uh, I
So
encourage,
let me give you a brief introduction about me. So I'm a final year grad from Mumbai, and I'm currently an C4 GT intern. And currently, I was exploring machinery. So just yeah, I was just exploring and finding the issues and fixing some PRs right now.
um, thanks, Anurag, for your introduction. I encourage everyone to turn on your webcams so I can see your faces, that you are new or an old one. So, please, everyone, turn on your webcams. Okay. Uh, Next is Ayana Sarkar. Are you new to this call? Okay. So, if you want to give your introduction, you can drop your introduction in a Zoom chat. Let's start with the first agenda item. Part, you are the first. Let's go.
Yeah, just a second. So my first agenda item was this. This PR is open for a while now. The issue was the 153 error on the YouTube iframe. So it is just simple one line fix. I add this referrer policy explicitly. So this fixes the issue. And there is another related PR to this. So in this regarding this component in this journey model component in assistant, so there was a prop, this video prop. So it was supposed to be a boolean, but Mashri was passing it as a string. So I fixed this also. So yeah, these are the two related PRs. And anyone would like to give a feedback? This is just a simple change.
Kusham, would you like to give us some feedback to the type?
So I guess you discussed this last time, a few meetings back. Uh,
Yeah, yeah.
uh, Yeah, I'll review it after the meet, and I guess Linux might have better idea about that. You both discussed, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like yeah, it's been something which we have been talking about for quite a bit. I didn't have any chance to look over the new changes again because I've been somewhat busy. But I think I should be free later on today to see if what was implemented is what's wanted, I guess. But if you could also have a look at it, I would really appreciate it.
Yeah, I'll have a look at.
Okay, thank you.
Thanks, Kusham. Thanks, Parth. Thanks, Lennox. Let's move forward. Dhruvesh, you are next. Dhruvesh, are you
So
on
this
the
is
call?
hello.
Yep.
This is my PR. It was about the permission security placement, which is raised by the Ross. When we navigate on the sealed button icon, then the uh, section opens on the upper side only. That was the basically PR. So I had raised the issue for that PR for that.
For the permission key, I don't have any idea about that. So, like Rishiraj, I think he's not on the call right now, or he is. He's not. Okay. Anyone else have anything about? Anyone else have any idea about this PR? Like, want to give a feedback on that? Linux, Kusham, Krishna.
I have no context for this one, but um, if you can tag Rishiraj as a reviewer for this one, I think you will be better off. But what is this like? Just making the viewport, um, I mean, just making the tooltip adapted for like a certain viewport.
Yeah, the tooltip was adapted for the upper viewport only whenever we open in the preview. Then tooltip was opening on the upper side only. So I had this.
Okay. If tag ask for Rishiraj again, ask for a review from him because he's the one who's like mainly working on this. So
Okay.
he's the one who has the most context out of things. If he doesn't reply because he's busy or does not have the time in order to review it, maybe I can ask him and I'll go ahead and give it a look. But yeah, I'll also just doing it with him first since he's the one who knows this whole component.
Uh,
And actually, I just reviewed. I think you made new changes, so I'll review it again, and I'll also ask Rishi to review it again.
okay. Thanks.
And also another thing I noted in terms of responsiveness, that container is covering the whole page. You
In the
can view this
mobile,
video and you can see.
in
Ah,
the
yeah,
mobile.
in mobile. Yeah, you can run the second. You can run this and you can see.
Yeah.
Yeah, this container is covering, and when navigating, it's hiding some of the things behind there. And also in scroll, the top navbar is also hiding.
Okay, I will see.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks, Ragul. Thanks, Manvi. Thanks, Linux. Thanks, Ruvesh. Let's move forward. I think next is Anurag. You are the next. Anurag, are you on the call?
Yeah, is it with is my screen visible? Hello, Bhumika.
I think no.
Yeah, it is. I can. No, never mind. It's not. It's not visible.
It is it visible now?
Yeah, it's
Uh,
starting. Yeah.
yeah. So the issue was in the community drop down. So it's like when I was going through the landing page. So here is the drop down. The alignment of this participate and newcomers are slightly right towards, and others are aligned properly. So I have raised PR fixing this. So the every drop down icons and their namings are aligned properly. So this was this. So I just fix this the width and height of the SVGs, which is set to the 1:1 ratio with the width and height 1.25. And yeah, that's all about it.
Okay. I approve your PR. I will merge your PR by soon. Thank you. Thanks for the contribution.
Thank you, Bhumika.
Next, we have Faizan. He's not on the call. Okay. Let's move forward. Ruvesh, you are the next.
Yeah, this was the PR. It was about the system permission component documentation. Previously, it was raised by Rishiraj. In this, I had added the documentation of the system permission.
Can you please give us some like context what it is about and like
Yeah, basically the permission field for the system was not available in the documentation section. That basically add the index and guidance all that.
okay. Ragul, do you have any suggestion for Dhruvesh?
Yeah, I want to review it as it is a documentation. So
Manvi, do you have?
Yes, I'll review it after the meet again.
Okay. Thanks, Dhruvesh.
thank you.
Yeah, you are the next.
Hello.
Yeah,
Yeah, I think I was not audible. Can you see my screen?
yeah, we can.
Yeah. I just wanted to raise like about my two open PRs. So there was this one PR. What our problem was that in resources page of articles, especially thumbnails, these all icons were not fitting in the containers properly. So we tried different steps, and like I also like mentioned all these investigations. I tried different steps to wrap it up, but then I came up with this solution of implementing a component called fit container, which will automatically, according to the size and the margin of the icons, will readjust for all components. It's like kind of widely reusable across all templates, articles, blog news. But I think this has been reviewed by Rishiraj and Saurabh also agreed to it. But there has been no like further on what to do.
What was the last suggestion given by Saurabh to you?
So Saurabh told like to implement these on all pages. Now what happened was there is also another PR which is working on kind of the same thing, which was raised by Rishiraj. So I tagged Rishiraj on Slack and told him to like if we want so that there is no race condition, which implementation should be moved forward with it. So he did merge it, but then after that I don't know how to proceed. So like once he says thumbs up, I'll also implement them in all pages.
You have a conflict in your PR. Did you see that?
Yeah, that is the same thing because the other person, the one working already on this, like there were two different issues which point to the same thing, and separate people raised different PRs for those issues. So I tagged Rishraj because the first issue was raised by Rishraj. So I tagged him and I told him that this is the conflicting stuff. So what do we want to do? So he didn't really say anything. He just did this, and then there were no conflicts. The conflict just occurred like 2 days back.
So, like, if the PR is raised like by other users, then you should don't have a conflict. Like, conflict is when that PR got merged.
Yeah, yeah. I'll go through this once because I think this was just got like this was just the conflict just happened like 1 or 2 days back. I've been checking through it and it was not there. So I'll also go through this first. I just wanted to raise what do we need? What should I do like after this?
Uh, please resolve the conflict. Then, please once again check the all the pages in that catalog thing. Like,
Yeah.
it is like not creating any other problem.
Okay, okay. Okay, so I'll
Then
resolve the
then
conflicts and then
then tag me in the Slack. I will approve your PR.
okay, okay, okay.
Yeah, also you can check that might be the other PR got merged and the issue is already resolved. That might
Yeah.
be the case.
Yeah,
Uh,
yeah, 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 yeah. I'll
Actually,
check that.
okay.
actually, the other peer is of mine, and the Rishiraj has raised this issue earlier, and I had worked on this. And I think Rahul was no idea of this issue, and he has raised this issue again and assigned to him.
So for now,
Yeah,
you have,
actually,
yeah,
the
go
issue is
ahead.
occurring in two pages, in articles and blogs. So currently he is working in articles, I think, and Dhruvesh is working in blog.
Yeah,
So that's
so
why
I
conflict is occurring.
Yeah, and also I just wanted to raise a point on that. So Saurabh told me to implement this page on blogs as well. And since this is like this is a container which can be reused like anywhere across the code base wherever we require in the resources page. That's why I didn't move forward with it. It's that it's not like I'm moving forward with the blog while someone is already working on it.
I had only made the changes in the blog and I think workshop, blog and workshop, so you can do the changes in it. So it will not is your it will conflict.
So for now, you can check the pages like which are not resolved. You can work on that. So yeah, that's all.
I'll resolve the conflicts and then I'll tag you on Slack or something.
Yeah, please check on that also that Kusham told you, like that
Yeah, if
issue
the
is not
existing
resolved
PR
yet.
has been, yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Um, yeah, thank you for this. And this is the last websites meeting. I discussed some changes in the LFX and programs page of Mystery, the open source page. So one was this issue we were occurring with sidebar. But whenever we're clicking, the header is not appearing properly. Right. So
Yeah.
I have resolved this. And I think I've opened a PR. PR is open. I'm sorry, 1 second.
Reload your page, I guess it will work.
Yeah. So this is working properly in my demo. I'll play it again.
Okay,
When we click on the subheader, the header appears properly.
okay. Thanks for this one. I will approve this one.
Also, I wanted to like bring up a concern about this. In this page, when we click on the subheadings, right, and when we click back and forward, it goes back to the subheadings we've clicked on. Like essentially, I think it should go one endpoint back, like to programs instead of LFX, but it just alternates between, suppose I click spring, then summer, then fall, and if I click back, then it'll again go to summer and spring. So should we, for like user experience, should we keep it that back leads to one page back instead of alternating between the subheadings?
Yeah, we should. It should go back to the one page, not a subheading.
I'll also raise a issue and then appear for that then.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thanks, Ria. He's not on the call. Daniel, you are the next.
Yeah, just a second. I want to share my screen. Oh. Mm. So I've made a little change on the UI to the system page. So whenever you refresh, you can see there is like the sidebar is losing its size, and yeah, so it was just about that. So the change I made was to fix that by just setting the mean width, because the sidebar was display mm, absolute. So I just added, it was losing its width when you refresh the page. So I just added like the minimum width. Yeah, so after the change, let me try to refresh. Yeah, you can see there's no the sidebar is not losing it width anymore. Yeah, so it was just about that.
Yeah, that's look good to me. One more thing. Daniel, can you just share your screen once again?
Yeah, I go back to my code or which part?
No, no, this one. Uh, that UX only.
Ah, the UX. Okay.
Yeah.
This is after change.
Okay. Search something in the searching box.
Yeah.
No, that is not some like ABCDs. Write this one, which is not on that page.
Yeah.
So please open the issue for this table of content. See on the
Yeah.
left side. open an issue
Okay.
that it should be scroll like it should be overflow, like it is not looking correct. So please open the issue for this one.
Okay, sure. I will.
Okay. And that layer also layer 5 logo is also cutting down. So open that one also in that issue only.
Okay, yeah, I'll work on that next.
Yeah. So yeah. Next we have Anurag.
So this issue was raised onto the docs website, where the hero section is getting covered into the nav bar. So I have raised an issue fixing this and opened a PR also. And after fixing it, it will not covered under the navigation bar now. I got a review from Kusham that the on mobile view the padding is more, it's like by calculation. So I have fixed this to zero point 0.5 rem as Kusham stated to do it with 1.5, but I found it like zero point 0.5 is looking good and 1.5 seems more padded. So let me ask Kusham which one will be the best.
So if you check the other file in the navbar.css,
Hmm.
so we had the viewport 600 pixel, less than 600 pixel already handled there.
Okay.
So adding the so if you so you need to remove the line you added for the mobile viewport. So calculation for that, because it will the the padding will be twice for that otherwise, because it is already there. So
Yeah,
Okay,
Kusham, I
sure.
think this PR will also address this issue.
yeah,
I
I
have,
commented on the other PR too.
yeah, but I think it is a duplicate one.
Yeah, we can merge any of the one of the PR.
Yeah, sure. Okay.
Sure, then Kusham, I'll just remove that line and amend those changes.
All right.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay. Let's move forward. Next we have Utkarsh. He's not on the call, I guess. Next we have Basir Ryan. Okay.
Am I audible?
Yeah, you are.
Hello, guys.
Hello.
Hello, am I audible?
Yeah, you are.
Uh, the issue is here in the docs. There is a issue like this icon, this anchor icon. When the header is in two line, the icon moves to the far left, far right. So I just try to fix this to come to the inline So I use this and try to bring. And another issue is like in the cloud section, there is another anchor sign which is just appearing, but it doesn't have any kind of relation to it. It is a kind of I was mistakenly just popped up, and I just delete this. These are the two tweaks I have done, like in here. I was doing, and I was looking at this, and that's all.
Is the preview is not working? Can you show us on the preview, like how's it looking on? We don't want to see that video at all. Uh, Scroll up a little bit. Sorry, scroll down. Scroll down a little. Yeah, more, more. Go ahead. Yep. Yeah, go ahead. We don't have any preview in the docs.
This one might be before the before I fixed it. So I think he needs to update the branch, but if there is no preview over there, then or actually it might be when the GitHub Actions crashed a couple of days ago, so that might be why there's no preview. But if there's no preview, then I have to go and take a look over at the code again. Which
Okay. Um, for this, I will like suggest you to check all the pages. If you fix for this one only, then I'm not sure that all the pages being like got fixed or having the. I'm sure like there will be some problem in other pages also. So I will request you to check all the pages for this one.
Okay, it's
Yeah,
working on all the pages.
yeah.
In this
Uh,
page,
it,
this was there, and there is other in other pages. So it's working in every pages. So as I fixed this,
sorry.
it's working in every pages after I fixed this.
So did you check that?
Yes.
Okay, I will approve them. Yep, yeah. Thanks. What's your name? How to like call it out?
You can call me Ryan.
Okay, Ryan. Thanks, Ryan. Let's move forward with the next. Kumar Nirupam, you are the next.
Hi guys, so this is my PR. So basically, on the page of creating the designs in Mystery, so there was this drop down where the parent and child open a different drop down uh, for one another. Wait a minute. So yeah, so as you can see, previously the two child drop down used to open when you select any category over here for the models. So, and over here you can see this save icon seems to be too dark for the UI. And so I fixed this using in a single drop down so that parent and child open a single drop down and also filling up this save SVG here. So you can go ahead and review this PR.
Like, I have a one question on this. Before, like when we select one of the name, then there is like option for another to like check for the name, like select two name in the before we have.
Yep, like whenever you select any category, the models related to that category
Okay.
opens up and you can just navigate back also from there. S-
And before, like there is a design name also is coming. In this, the design naming is not coming
No,
up.
actually, I opened a different model I selected, like this for analytics, and I showed from different. You can see here. It's
Okay.
can just navigate back also.
Uh, yeah. Kushal, do
Can
you have anything for Kumar?
Um, yeah, I we discussed this on Slack, and the UI looks good to me. I'll test it and I'll add a comment or merge it.
okay. Thank you.
Thanks, Kumar. Next, we have Parth.
Just a second. So I was working on a sub issue. The parent issue was this: uh, to standardize all the toolbars across the code base by using the data table toolbar present in system. So I was working on this migrating environments table toolbar issue. So where is it here? Yeah. So I did the migration in Mercedes code base, and this is the preview. Everything works fine. So
Kushal.
I guess I reviewed his PR, right?
yeah, actually, Uday gave me a follow-up after that to rename the placeholder from search environments to search by name. So I just updated the PR with that today only, and all the checks are passing. So I guess it's a good to merge.
Okay, I'll merge it after the meet.
So then this was an issue discussed by Chaitanya in the last development meeting. So the issue was actually in the on the life cycle and the credentials page on the life cycle section. Uh, Deleting a credential was not like we could directly do it. There was no confirmation dialog box or any such thing, which is inconsistent with the other destructive actions on the lifecycle page. So I reused the prompt component from System and added it. This is the preview. Just a second. This is the preview, and all the checks are also passing. So would appreciate a review on this as well.
Yeah, thanks, Parth, for adding this one. This look good to me. Yeah, we'll take a look for this PR after the meet.
That's all from my side.
Thanks, Parth. Next question.
Yeah. So my PR was about this section. So when we click on explore workspace, it wasn't working. So it was a z-index error, and also I fixed that error, so now it was working fine. And also there was some issues with closing of this drop down error when we open this. I fixed that too in this PR. So yeah, it needs a review. And
What about the create workspace?
so yeah, that was working fine.
That is what. Okay.
Yeah.
Thanks, Kusham, for this one. Yeah. Yeah, you are the next.
So this was my issue. I think it was raised by Bhumika, and the connection status control bar did not UI wasn't proper. So I fixed this, and then Chaitanya
Yeah.
suggested some
Uh,
changes, and I resolved them, and I think this is ready now.
um, can you start with again? Like, we just got your screen just now.
Yeah. Is my screen visible properly?
Yeah, now it is.
So this was the problem that the UI wasn't proper for the connection status control button, and I fixed it, and it showed like this now. And then it was reviewed by Chaitanya, and he suggested some changes, and I did that. I tested it locally, and I think it works fine. So yeah, someone can.
Yeah. What was the comment by the Alex? You got some comment.
Um, this was some other comment by mistake. I had also merged my attendance file with this in the same branch, so that I pulled it out and.
Okay. Thanks, Sia. We will take a look.
Thank you.
Next, we have Ayana.
Hello.
Uh, Ayana, lots of like background noises coming.
Hello, am I audible?
Yeah, you are. Can you fix your background noise? Lots of background noise is coming on. We are not
Hello.
able to listen you properly.
So this was an issue which. Okay.
I think we can circle back later. Anyone else remaining? Faizan, are you on the call? Would you like to discuss your PR? Okay. So I guess no one has anything. Ayana, did you like fix your system or fix the background noise. Would you like to cover up? Cover this?
Audible?
Yeah, you are.
Now is the background noise okay?
No, we are getting a lot of background noise. I think you can take this on the Slack. So lots of background noise we are getting.
Actually, okay. I'm just sharing my screen. I'm keeping my mouth on mic on mute. Just see, I have found a bug on the Meshrie's website actually.
Okay. I think Daniel, this was page. Someone like fixed this page in the
Hi,
last meeting.
Bhumika. So this is related to CI that GitHub. So we are working on it. Linux has just merged a pair. After that, pair in the layer 5 one. After that is fixed, I will change it in the mystery I also. So yeah, it's the redundant like this pair do should not exist, but they are in the deployed website.
Okay. Still they are not fixed. So yeah. Okay. Thanks, Ayana, for this one. Yeah, that's all from everyone. This is for newcomers. So if you are new to this call or join this community for the very first time, this is a link for the good first issue and help want issue. So yeah, this is uh, this is a link for the help wanted issue. So if you want to work on them, you can drop your comment on this issues. Um, which is the label. You will find good first issue as well. There is a good first issue. You can take a look. On on Wednesday we have mystery development meeting, and on Friday we have newcomers meeting where we welcome a newcomers. So if you want to join that meeting, that would be very appreciable. So yeah, that's all. So let's wait for 4 to 5 minutes. If anyone have any questions, they can ask now.
Daniel, the Daniel, are you on the call?
Yes, I'm on call.
So the action button we were discussing the other day in the assistant. So I fixed that, and you can work on that if you want.
Yeah, I was also trying to see the line of code, and I think we're gonna talk more about it on Slack. Yeah,
All right.
yeah, sure.
Oh, hey, I actually joined the meeting late, so I couldn't present my PR. So if I can.
Yeah, you can. We have 4 minutes left, so you can present your PRs right now.
Like there was an issue that in Layer 5 website, the the count for the performance test run was not being displayed here. It always showed zero. But the API, like it was combined with it, the API was sending this count. So I fixed this error. Now it is like displaying the correct count of the test runs.
So now it is a dynamically it's working, right?
Yes.
Okay. Thanks, Faida, for this one. We will take a look on that. Anything else from your side? Okay.
Fizan, could you resolve the feed? Could you address the feedback by Code Rabbit on your PR?
Can you repeat the question?
So there is a feedback by Code Rabbit on your PR. So can you address that? Like if you are, uh, please scroll down. Uh, yeah. So this. Can you address that?
No response. Okay. Uh, yeah, Kusham, you can drop a comment here to like uh, address this comment and its feedback.
All right.
So, yep. So, yeah, that's all. So, thank you everyone for joining today's call. And yeah, see you on the next meeting that is on Wednesday and Mystery Developer meeting. So, bye everyone.